Hey friends, it is Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company. It is Thursday morning. Happy Thursday to you guys. Hopefully you got my note this morning in the community tab. If I can't be there at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I always leave a note for you guys. And last evening, yesterday, we were working on doing our surprise launch of 3 new spring colors in the Junk Monkey Paint collection. So by the end of the day, I had no more fumes left in me, and I really wanted to record for you guys and give you a screen share of how, talk about links in Instagram, that's what we've been talking about this week, but also give you a view into my computer and kind of show you how I use that one clickable link that you're able to put into your bio on Instagram. So that's what we're going to do today, and we're going to talk about, you know, the whole purpose of that link. So curious to hear if you guys have put in your bio yet on your Instagram. Did you create your business Instagram account just yet? Because we're going to take it a little bit further and just kind of focus in on that. So I'm excited to catch up with you guys today. And if there's any times that I can't make, like I said, my usual time that we meet up, just know that I always leave a note for you guys. So if you don't see me appear at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, click community and see what's going on. That's what I always tell you guys. If I ever disappear for a second, like even on my other channel, over on my creative vlog channel, always know it's because if I can't be there, it's because we're cooking up something special. So we have 3 colors for spring: Ducky, Grey's Anatomy, and Rock Lobster. So hopefully you guys have seen that, and maybe you've snagged your bundle as well. Right now we are doing it, just to let you know, if you missed that, last night we painted a few things, and tonight I'm going to be painting as well over on Junk Monkey Paint Company. So come over there tonight and hang out, and we'll paint a piece of furniture together the next few days, just to kind of show the colors that we have, the new colors, so you guys can see them in place if you too are a furniture painter like me. And it's $5 off right now if you do the pre-order and you do the complete collection. All right, my screen froze up for a bit. Hopefully it's going to work itself out. Come on, come on. Oh, good. Oh boy, I just think I just got really, really big for all of a sudden. That's okay. We're gonna do a screen share anyhow, and I'm going to take you into my Instagram. And let me find it here. Give me 1 second here. We want to do this. I do believe this will take us where we want to go. Yay. Okay, I'm over in the corner over here. You guys see me? I'm gonna move me out of the way. So I'm going to take you into Instagram here, so that way we can talk about it and you guys will have a view. So did you know that you can go into your Instagram on your laptop, which is what I am filming this on right now, but you don't have all the bells and whistles, right? You know, when you download the Instagram app, you're able to do all like the posting and all that stuff. This just gives you the overall view. You can see that I was on my Instagram this morning. I tell you guys to post at least once a day if you can, like at the minimal. And right here, I put up those 3 colors that I just mentioned right there, put that over there. Remember, last night, as an example, I did my live on Facebook, but there are people that stay true to the platforms that they are on. Sometimes people cross over, and sometimes people will say, nope, I don't even have the Facebook app, I just do Instagram. And so that is why it's always important. The more you can spread out, you know, from the business perspective, to let people know, right? Because they might miss out on something that they've been waiting for. So make sure you go across the platforms. So we're talking about the Instagram platform right now, but this is just the kind of the overall view. This is my grid right now, the basics, the bare bones, the foundation of my Instagram account. But I'm not able to post from here. You can actually post from your laptop, and we'll talk about that down the road. Right now, we're just going to focus on the link in the bio, but just know that there are some other platforms that you can use to integrate with your Instagram that will give you the ability to be able to do it right from your laptop or from your desktop, okay? All right, so let's focus on right here. If you go onto your phone, this is the bio that we were talking about yesterday. You can see mine, it's pretty basic. This is how I use my 150 spaces to hopefully represent myself as best as possible. And at the end of the day, I can change that, and I have changed it before as many times as I would need to or want to. So it just says, hi, I'm Sonia. Do you see my picture right here in the corner? Remember, have an inviting picture of yourself. Show people who you are and who they're following, okay? Painter, all right? Lover of all things distressed, truth, truth. I love also things whimsical and shabby, right? Yep, that's me. Home of Junk Monkey Paint, that's gonna be important. We're the creators of Junk Monkey Paint. YouTuber, Facebooker, and then remember that call to action? Follow me, plus emojis. We talked about that yesterday. That's how I set up my bio. You can be as creative as possible. Now, the space for 1 right here, and if I wanted to change any of this, I'm gonna go hit edit profile, and this all becomes reclickable, like refillable, whatever I want, okay? So I am going to go ahead and show you that if you click on this link right here, so the link that I decided to use was using a service called Linktree, and you can pay for this service or you can be like me and use it for free, all right? Now there's two thinkings on Linktree, and I'll tell you both because my Linktree might go away. It's not a priority to me right now, and this is why I say there's things that you want to change in your business, but you don't have to do them all at right now, okay? Because I can use Linktree right now, and it's very popular to use on Instagram. So a lot of people are going to be familiar when they see this link. It's not going to make them feel like, where am I going to? Like, you know, what's going to go on if I click this link? Are bad things going to happen to my computer? Linktree is very common to be used in the Instagram world, and it gives people the okay, I know what I'm doing here. All right, so I click it. What happens when you click it is, and I already have the page open so I could share it with you guys if I can find it. It looks like this. All right. So what happens is when you have a link in your bio, you can write a description about something and tell people, hey, my link is in my bio. All right. So if I post something that says something on my Instagram, like, I don't know, let's see here. Okay, this is a table that I did right here where it's a video that I posted on Instagram here. If I want, I can say link in bio to go to my YouTube channel, basically to see the full view, right? To see the full thing. So you can use this as, you know, this is the cover shot. This is the book cover. People see it. And if they want more, links in the bio. All right. And what link is in your bio? Right here, the link to everything. So when you have a universal tree in your bio, right, with all the limbs that go all the places, people click one place and then they pick from there what branch they want to go out on. Okay. So that's a beautiful way to use a universal link. So if somebody came to my link and I say link in bio, that means that, hey, from that link that I clicked, I can get to Sonia's YouTube channel, thrifting, junking, and paint projects, okay? I can get to Sonia's right here, to this group right here, where's my daily coaching. All right, here's where you get the Junk Monkey paint and supplies. So if I put up a post that says, oh my gosh, I just painted this with our new rock lobster color that we have here for spring, a beautiful red brown, oh, rustic red, you guys. I've been waiting for the barn reds, the cottage reds. That's exactly what that is. Links in the bio to grab your Junk Monkey paint and supplies. When they click this, guess where it takes people to? Actually, let me see if I can open it in a new link for you. Guess where it takes people? Let's see if it's going to load up here. It takes people right to my website, right? Where they can then go ahead and purchase the paint. So you make it really easy for people, all right? And that's what you have to do because you have to get people where they want to go with as few links as possible, few clicks as possible, but to be like, don't make it hard for them. Let them know what you have. So when they come to this link tree right here, they're going to find out that, oh, she has two, what? She has two YouTube channels? I didn't even realize she had the second one. You'd be surprised. You think that people know, you think that people know all the stuff you got going on, right? But they got enough going on themselves to worry about, right? We're all just trying to keep ourselves alive. We got a lot of stuff going on. And so if you can spell it out for people, that's a good thing to do for your followers, all right? You can get your Junk Monkey. What? There is a community with over 8,000 people. We are about to hit 9,000 people, guys, right now in that free painters community. It's called Junk Monkey Paint Projects on Facebook. So guess what? When they click there, it takes them right to the join over to Facebook, okay? And how do I drop links in here? Well, what I did was I opened up each one of those things in a tab, just like I did, let me see here, just like I did, where did we go with, my bars across the top. Just like we did right here. Do you see how the Junk Monkey paint at the top is clickable? That's how I can drop that anywhere I want to drop it. So basically I do a right click, I'm going to copy it, and then I can fill it into my link tree to be able to create this tree, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So if you want to join us on Facebook, that's over Junk Monkey Paint Company. And I just put 122,000 followers over there. You know, that's like social proof. People go, oh, I didn't realize that she had a Facebook page. What? Well, apparently I'm not the first, and I'm, you know, there's a lot of people over there, so it must be good, right? Show people that you have something, a community created where you have people that are in there. And I'm going to update this today because I think now that we're over 120, we're almost 125,000 followers right now, K followers. This takes people to my part on my website where I have all my favorite tools and things like that listed. This is my blog right here. This takes people to my Pinterest. This is my affiliate link right here to my favorite stencil place. And so you can change these out with whatever you want. You can also change them around. So Linktree, all right, you're gonna go Google Linktree, Linktree, okay? And when you're inside, that was the view that I just showed you. That's the public view, but this is what your view is going to look like, okay? So over here, these are all the different, all the different columns, I guess we'll call it, okay? That I have set up. So if I wanted to move one around, if I decided to put right now Junk Monkey Paint projects at the top, Junk Monkey Paint at the top, then I'm gonna go ahead and put that right at the top, all right? Do you see how it moved around over here? So that's how you kind of configure what's gonna be in your view. So I love how it gives you the view over here. And this is free, guys, this is free, okay? This is a beautiful thing right here to be able to put some great links that you've acquired all together for people in one place. So let's see here. So if I want to change anything, like I told you guys right here, that this right here can actually be changed. Instead of 122, we now have 124K followers. So let's go over here. I'm going to click out of that so it can save. And then let's go over here. Do you see now? It went up to 124K followers. So now while I'm over here, is there anything else that I want to go ahead and add in here? And you can turn links on or off. So sometimes if there's links that you're not promoting anymore, or you just remember how we talked about making a priority in your business, like what are the main things, right? So you can hit the garbage can and get rid of things, but basically you title it right here, all right? And then you drop the link in right here. So if I wanted to add a new link, let's see here. If I wanted to add in a new link, let's do, I'm gonna say, get the new spring colors, let's say paint colors here, all right? Okay, so now it's telling me I need the URL. So what we're gonna do is find up here, go back to the website. I'm gonna hit the shop button, and then I'm going to go to where I know that paint is stored, right? Where people can buy the paint. So it's in this collection right here. And do you see those 3 new paint colors right there? Ducky, Grey's Anatomy, Rock Lobster. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm going to click on the browser address at the top. This is like when you have an address at your house, this is the address to this web page that I wanna give people. I'm going to right click, I'm going to hit copy. I am going to go back into my Linktree admin, and this is where I was working. And now I'm gonna click in that space where it's asking me for the URL, which is the address. I'm gonna paste it right in there, all right? And then I'm gonna hit enter, okay? And guess what? Just appeared over there. Get the new spring paint colors here. Now I can play with that title and do whatever I want. Right here, if I wanted to add, right now we're doing the $5 pre-order, $5 off your pre-order of the bundle. So if I want to put in brackets, I could add that right now to incentivize people to know, hey, if you get it now, you get it an extra few bucks off, right? I can turn it on or off. So if I want to make that go away and say, okay, I'm gonna like close it off right now. I'm gonna move on to something new because we've always got something new and exciting coming out in our business. I can turn that off. And guess what? It went away. Do you see it in the view over there? Nope, it's gone. So I'm gonna actually leave that one on right now because I think that would be very helpful since people are really looking for that right now. We're just in launch mode right now and everybody's grabbing their paint. Let's see here. And I'm gonna add, since we are truly in here doing business together and doing this, do save $5 off your bundle pre-order right now. Plus, for those of you out there who want your paint, we also right now are running a special where we do, we are paying right now your shipping when you order more than $99 worth of paint products. So some great savings there to take care of, make use of, okay? All right, drink more coffee, Sonia. I told you I'm still waking up. I had a busy day yesterday and my brain is like, all right, we got this. So there you go. Get the new spring paint colors here. Save $5 off your bundle pre-order right now, okay? And maybe off your pre-order, I'm gonna add in 2 words at checkout right now, because that is when people will see that come off when they actually check out. So now I'm advertising that somewhere else, right? So what happens is, you know, I'm doing a good job of uploading my content. You're doing a good job of uploading your content. People come to your bio, they come to your tree to see what you got going on. And a lot of times this will allow people to find out things that they otherwise, if they weren't on that live last night, they would not know that, right? But remember, this is the world of Instagram. So you got to remember to also take care of your people over here on Instagram, okay? So now if we go back over here, let's see here, where was it? Okay, this was the view before, right? Now I'm going to hit a refresh. And I should see what I just remember. We switched these around. We pulled the Junk Monkey paint supplies to the top, and we also added in a new link. So I'm going to hit the reload this page button. And there it is, right? Get the new spring paint colors here. Perfect. And there's our Junk Monkey paint supplies. So you can have fun in Linktree. Yes, you can change the background up. You can have fun with that. And like I said, I just do the free version. And when you do the paid version, it also gets you more options to do. So if we were to click on that right there, let's just do a test to make sure it's going to the right place. My tab is opening up behind my thing up here. Give me a second here to get to it. Ah, no. Sorry, guys, I got to move my menu bar for a second. And good, it works. It takes people right to it. Do you see that? Yay, so that works. So how easy is that, guys? So using the one link, but do you see how you can't put all the information in the one link, right? Like if you were, you can only use one link, and then how do you use one link to your greatest advantage? You build it like a tree. So I said to you at the very beginning that right now I'm using Linktree and it's free and it works fine, but down the road, don't be surprised when I go ahead and I take the time when all those balls that I'm, you know, juggling in the air, this is working. So there's no need right now to fix anything that's not broken, right? But ideally, I could make the same Linktree on my website. So guess what? When people click that link, they're coming to my home base. They're coming to my territory. They're coming to my real estate, right? And then I'm taking Linktree out of the mix. Remember how we talk about in here, the goal is to have your own piece of real estate, right? So people are coming directly to my website where they can find all the things right there. But you can also create your own Linktree, but they're right there on your website, okay? Which is where you have your things for sale, where you have the best representation of all the things that you have going on, right? Linktree can't show those pretty pictures that are on my website. So taking somebody right to your website is ideal. So I'm gonna leave you with that point because that's important to know that Linktree is awesome, but if you have a website, there's no reason that you cannot do it on your own website as well. And you can go ahead and insert the links that take them around your website or whatever it is that you want them to go and do. All right, well, I'm still blown up really big right here in Zoom. So hopefully you get this message very big and loud and clear. And I hope that this has been helpful for you guys today. And maybe that's something you want to work towards. There's no reason you can't set up a Linktree today, whether you have a website or not. Maybe you have other links that you can put in there that you are working with or that you want to direct people to, whether it's other social medias, whatever, brainstorm all the things that you could link. Maybe there's a video that you did that you can link, all right, that you have on YouTube. Whatever it is that you want to do, that can definitely be your friend. All right, friends, I will see you guys again tomorrow morning. Take care and leave me a comment below who loved this tutorial and are you gonna put it to use. See you tomorrow. Bye.